So the book title is going to be The Immaculate Conception of Jealousy. And we're going to hear the last step. We're going to write it together. So here comes chapter 1. Chapter 1, The Immaculate Conception of Jealousy. Barbara was walking down the street. Barbara was very ugly. None of the boys liked Barbara, including Jim. He's so ugly. Jim was not creative with his insults. Ugly as a hamburger. And Jim had to go and fix his pocket protector. All Barbara really wanted was a son of her own. Is that too much to ask for? And an angel came flying over the White Castle and landed in front of Barbara. And the angel said, okay. It was the angel of the White Castle hamburger. Come to grant her a wish. First, you have to eat this tiny little cheeseburger. But Barbara was gluten-free. She ate it anyway.
Well, that's the secret. Ones with celiac disease, such as your son, when they consume gluten, that feeling in your stomach is a baby.
The White Castle angel was hanging out with the Tooth Fairy. The Tooth Fairy asked what happened in the White Castle angel's day.
So what's going on?
I impregnated someone.
Great.
Wait.
And that's gonna cost me money.
Why?
Well, a new kid means new teeth, means new money. Don't you know we gotta watch our expenses?
Oh. And the Tooth Fairy went away to pop to his accountant. Chapter 3. Barbara has the baby. A whole chapter of screaming.
Shack. He was just a tooth would fall out, and then another tooth would fall out. It was like this angel just had it out for me.
Yeah, sorry, got bad news. You're bankrupt. Unless you do something, I'm gonna have to foreclose on your wand.
do?
I'm listening.
And they decided they were going to sell the shark baby to
Shark Week.
Exactly.
Chapter 8. The White Castle Angel came to warn Barbara about the impending shark.
I'm not even smoking joints anymore. I'm not a kid now. I can't just be letting strangers into my house.
Open the window!
I've overheard a plot. A plot to steal your immaculate child. It seems someone is jealous.
Thank you. That kid won't let go.
Chapter 10. In the baby's room, the tooth fairy is stealing the baby. But the baby grabs onto the nipple of the tooth fairy. The accountant and the tooth fairy are talking once more.
It's chapter 11. It's time for an accountant to come in.
Oh, does that mean my health insurance hasn't kicked in? Oh my God. The mama care gonna cover a lost nipple.
I can tell you. If you log on, then you can try and see if you qualify.
No, hold on a second.
She's the one that got me into this mess in the first place.
Hold on a second. I
Talking
don't want
about
to be sued by the
marketplaces.
Republicans. I'm sorry. We got to take out all that Obamacare stuff. John Bader sponsored this. I'm sorry. The accountant and the tooth fairy come up with another plan to steal the baby by killing it with a shark.
No, we've got to get a sexy shot.
Let's take the sexy shark and go up against the evil shark, and we'll see what happens.
Yeah, how could a baby this half shock, like not like a sexy hot shock?
Chapter 15, the final battle. The baby was in its crib when the sexy shark came in. And the White Castle Angel had to think quickly, knowing that all sharks struggle with that dairy allergen. She gave cheese to the shark. And why don't you have macaroni and cheese bite? And the evil shark died. A horrible, cheesy death. Very cheesy.
I can't believe you were right about the sexy shark.
I know.